Hello everyone, my name is Mariel Yu and I am from Labo Camarines Norte, Bicol region. I am 32 years old. Now, I will try my best para maging beauty content creator, okay? Ito-try ko lang siya, Okay, I will be showing you my skincare products, okay? How to prep my skin. And this is my products, which is Bioten Skin Glow Brightening Serum. Yan. Try natin siya. Because lately, marami akong pimples. And then, nakikita nyo, as you can see, may eye bags ako yun. Kaya, try natin siya para makita natin results. And then, the products that I use, which is Revox Just Vitamin C 20%. Yan. Okay, that's it. Please support me, guys. Thank you, everyone. Bye. See you again.